Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE RedMagic 6R, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, this process also removes screen locks, so if you have one that you just don't know, then you can get rid of it this way. Now, it will also make the device FRP locked if you are logged into Google account, so that is also something to keep in mind. FRP lock means that once the reset is finished and you're in the setup screen, throughout the setup you will need to verify either the previously set up screen lock or Google account. I will also be making a video on how you can bypass this if that is something that you're interested in. But now, jumping back to this video, let's begin by turning or locking the device. Because like I said, it removes screen lock, so I'm just going to showcase this. So there is a screen lock. We can begin from here, from the locked screen. Hold power key, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. After a couple seconds of seeing the RedMagic logo, you can let go of the keys and wait for recovery mode to show up. And in here, using volume keys, select middle option, wipe data, confirm it with power key, then select power key once more to confirm the first selected option, and select reset. It's gonna start formatting the data, and this only takes, as you can see, a brief moment. It's already finished, so we can now select back to previous page, reboot system, and this will continue the process in the background. To finish up, it's going to take about like 2 minutes to finish it up, so just going to let it run through and come back once it's finished. Now the process is almost finished, so I'm just going to flip all the way down. Yes, I have read it, and there we go. And as you can see, it's now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.